The home is where you create memories. Being able to have a safe and comfortable environment for your family to grow up is what it's about. Everyone's so busy now and got a million things to do and a million miles an hour. And if lighting's done properly, it really does enhance the living of the owner. Having the right product and having it correctly installed is another thing, especially with new technology. Important that partnering with the right type of company that has the capability of installing the product and is confident with it. Ian from I.C.M was a great choice. Him and his team got in and installed the product, and quickly as well. Being a two-storey home, they had it done in a day. Once the app was configured and set up scenes and customised, you then have control over the whole home. You can have a welcome mode that lights up the garage, your hallway, the stairs, kitchen from one button. It's been a really good experience and we love it. It's now available to everyone. To be able to have that, that's really powerful. ICM team got in and got it done. It was flawless.